Lee Self-Development TV. How to self-evaluate to find your true self. Hello, everyone. Today's topic is finding your true self through self-assessment. In this video, we'll introduce various self-assessment methods to better understand yourself and achieve personal growth. Self-reflection. First, analyze your emotions, thoughts, and values through self-reflection. Take time to look back on how you felt and what you thought about the experiences in your daily life. This will help you understand how you feel in different situations. Goal setting. Set your own goals. Setting goals allows you to clearly recognize where you want to go and develop yourself in the process. When setting goals, it's a good idea to use the SMART criteria to set specific and measurable goals. Recognizing strengths and weaknesses. Identify your strengths and weaknesses. It's important to utilize your strengths and make efforts to improve your weaknesses. To find your strengths and weaknesses, ask for feedback from those around you or take objective tests for evaluation. The importance of record keeping. Keeping records during the self-assessment process is important. Write a diary or create a blog for personal growth to record your thoughts and experiences. This allows you to look back on how you are changing. Regular self-assessment. Assessing yourself is a continuous process, not a one-time event. Periodically evaluate yourself and check if you are growing. By doing so, you can review your progress and plan how to move forward. It's a good idea to review your growth about once a month. Challenging spirit. Continuously test your limits. Challenges provide opportunities to learn new things and grow. Don't be afraid of failure, and get feedback from your experiences that will help you develop yourself. Don't compare yourself to others. Comparing yourself to others puts pressure on you and causes stress. It's important to grow and develop based on your own standards. Don't compare yourself to others, and compete only with yourself. Positive thinking. Think positively about yourself. Negative thoughts hinder growth and lower self-esteem. Be confident in yourself. Feel positive energy, and grow. Create a better tomorrow with the Finding Your True Self Through Self-Assessment methods introduced today. It's important to find your own value in the process of constantly evaluating and growing yourself. We support your successful self-development journey. Thanks for watching.